how to make money on YouTube without making any video using copy and paste method. So this is my YouTube channel. You can see I follow the same method here. In past 9 months I create this channels, only 20 videos are uploaded. 19 videos are not getting any views because I made some mistake. I just made the video which I want to do, so I didn't get any view. But one video is getting more views and giving me all the watch time I needed and the views and the subscribers for that. So I'm going to follow that method. I'm going to show you how I did it and the way that you can do it, all the tricks and everything. In this video I'm going to talk about all the tools which you have to use in order to make this possible. In this video I just divide them into different sections, so if you don't want to watch this entire video, you can go to the description and jump to the section that you want. First I'm going to talk about I'm going to show my proof, and second I'm going to show the tools which you can use to identify the content that you want to make. 3, come up with the different content ideas, and the 4, the creating articles or the script for your videos, and 5, where you're going to create your videos. The 4 and 5 are very simple method that you can do it within 1 hour, so you can come up with the different videos every single day, guys. The first is proof. You can see this is my channels that only getting 9,000 views, but 8,000 views are coming for one video, and 515 watched hours, not minutes, watched hours, and 466 come from one video. So if you go down the bottom here, this is the video which I'm going to talk about. So if I open this video, you can see here this video is getting around 8,000 views since it's published, and 4,666 watch hours and 89 subscribers, sorry. As you can see, when I published this video from January, I think it's January 9th, and until March, mid of March, that means 3 months, I only get 98 views. 3 months I only get 98 views. After that, you can see the graph here. So this video is getting more views, but it is not a viral topic. You can see this topic have a low search volume, but I am ranking number 1 for that. So I getting most of the views that people are searching for particular that key term. I'm getting all the views. You can see here, this is the one I'm talking about here. The watch time is the main part of your YouTube video. The channels which you are watching this video, the most of the video getting below 30%. So even though I publish a longer video or short video, I only get 30% watch time, watch retention. You can see audience retention, sorry. The audience retention is below 30%, which is bad because you're going to get less views than compared to your competitor channels if they can get more than 45% of audience retention. So you can see this video is have 61%, which means it will bring views every single day. You can see this only 20% drop when since his videos started. After that, most of the people stay under the end. Around 33% stay under the end. You can see it's a 5 minutes long videos, and I have an average watch time is around 3 minutes and 27 seconds, which is more than 2/3, and you can see 61% of audience retention, which is this is the reason why my video is performing well and getting most of the views. So you have to get that audience retention above 45% in order to achieve result on YouTube. I like getting more views or watch time or getting more subscribers or making money. You need to have a higher audience retention. So I'm going to talk about in this video the way I did it in order to get it. First, people recommend a longer video is better to have a higher audience retention. But you have to understand, when you are publishing your new videos, when you are publish a video for the first time on your new YouTube channels, it's harder to get the views, and on top of that, and harder to keep the viewers until the end of your videos. So which I recommend is, my choice or my experience is creating shorter videos, so you can get most of the audience attention, there's more views and more watch time, and you can get that 4,000 of watch time and some of the subscriber along with it. So for example, this video, since it's published only 9 months old, but if you release that 3 months or 6 months old, it's getting around 500 hours watch time for that. If I publish an 8 video similar to this one, I can achieve that 4,000 watch hour within couple of months. So for example, so if this is video, when I go to search here on YouTube, you can see here, this is the title of the video. You can see, copy that, and I go to my YouTube account here, you can see when I search that particular term, I'm the one ranking in the first page of YouTube. As you can see, most of other videos are more than 1 year old. This is the reason I'm able to rank there, because it's a low competition. So you can see when I use I'm going to show the tools here, you can use it for free, and you can see because of that, because of the low competition, I'm ranking in the first page of the YouTube, even though for the full search term, if I cut half of that, just only put strengthen the prefrontal cortex, the brain and everything. So if I search that particular term, you can see I'm the one still ranking in the first page of YouTube. So you can repeat this, you can apply this method to grow your YouTube channel, and you can make money from it. So in order to do that, what you have to do is, first you need to install two Google Chrome extension, which is free. First one is called vidIQ, and the second one called is TubeBuddy. So these are the free tools that you want to use here. So when I search this particular search term, you can see the TubeBuddy is getting around 41 out of 100, which is good topic to make a video. You can see this competition is very low, but a search good, which means it's in green, which means there's a lack of competition, but the problem is search volume is low. So number of people searching for this particular term is very low. So but you can rank it in the first page because the competition is also very low here. That's why he's saying here the competition is medium, but the search volume is a little bit lower. That's why I only get 8,000 views within the 6 months, even though I'm ranking in the first page of YouTube because of a low search volume. Now you don't have to go through that, because if you go through that, you can able to undercut the competition and become a first person to create some kind of video like that in a particular search term. That means you are the one creating a low search volume content, and you can get most of the views. People are searching for that keywords and able to get more views and watch time and rank on the Google or the YouTube at the first page. So you need to have these free tools in order to get that. Now what you have to do, just search some topic that you want to interest in making videos, and you find the score here. If it around mediums, or if it in greens, which is good. Also if you go down to TubeBuddy, I recommend if you have a score at the keyword score above 40, which is good to make videos. So this is where I come with the content idea. So because this video is getting more views, I want to make a similar video to that. So I just go to Google spreadsheet and type search for different keywords similar to that and come up with that. So because that is related to brain, I find this one is called how to use your brain while studying. This keyword people are searching on YouTube, you can see here, but all the videos are here. It's more than 1 year old. It's the same thing, and you can see the pattern here. People are searching for it. The volume is high, and the competition also high. If the volume is good, which means people are searching for it, and the competition high. But don't worry, if you come to TubeBuddy, that gives you 100 out of 100. That's why I recommend install vidIQ and TubeBuddy at the same time, because the keyword score from both tools and identify which one is to use. So because even though the vidIQ is giving below 40% out of 100, but I want to go with TubeBuddy suggestion. You can see if it gave me 100 out of 100. So I went there and create the video. See what happened. My video is ranking in first page of YouTube, even though I have only 4 views because I published in the last night. It's only 6-7 hours ago, and it's having 4 views, and this video is still ranking on the first page of YouTube for that particular page, keyword search. Okay, if you go to Google and search the same thing, you can see the people are writing article about it. And if you go down the bottom here on the 4th search result, my YouTube video is ranking here. Because why this video is working for me, because low search volume and low competition. So nobody making the videos now, and you are the one making, because most of the videos are more than 1 year old. Okay, so you are the one is making that video. The second is number of people searching for is very low. On the other hand, if there are people searching for money making videos, there's millions of them, so you can compete with that when you are making video to that. But for this one, the number of people searching for is very low, so you can tap into that and you can get that most of the view. So you understand now how you can create the videos and how which tools you want and the coming with content area. Now you need to create an articles and you need to create videos. So in order to create a script, if you are very good with writing, go ahead, you can create your article by yourself. But if you are not good at it, you can go to this website called arwrite.com. Now some of you mentioned in the comment section arwrite.com is not working in your country. Please leave a comment on the section here below so I can make a video or find out different AI write softwares for your country, or I can make a top 5 video on arwrite.com, so AI writing softwares or websites. So leave a comment so I can make a video on the future. So what you have to do is just copy that and paste it on here, and it will make a article for you, which I already did. Now the fourth section is done. So once your article is done, what you have to do is for the final step, go to software called Vietnamese. I already made a review on full tutorial on Vietnamese or content summary. I put the card on the description below. Go and check it out. Where this software is going to convert your article into video, adding royalty-free videos, images and background music. On top of that, it will generate auto voice for your article. Now if people are saying you can't use auto voice on YouTube video because you can't get monetized, yes and no. Most of the channels I still get monetizing, but because you are creating authentic content for yourself first. The second thing, the auto voice on this software Vietnamese is more like human voice than the computer generated text to speech softwares. This is more advanced, so go ahead and try it for yourself. So normally it is expensive, but if you sign in today you get 25% off. And normally what they do in the fast, they give you a 7-day free trial, but you can access everything. Now you can't do that. In order to use auto voice and in order to download video without watermark, you need to buy the subscription fee. But don't worry, if you click the link here, you get 25% commission. Still I get some commission out of it, but you can get 25% off by doing that. Now what you have to do, just click the template that you want and go to script section, upload the script that you want, and it will automatically add the scene for you. Then it will add the auto voice. If you go to the auto voice here and select the voice type that you want, and after that preview it and download that here. If you click download, it will download to your computer. Now what you can do, you can go to any video editing software and edit the video if you want. If you don't want to, you can upload straight back to your video. So this is the video I published that. And if I go back to my dashboard, I can show you guys how much view I get, because I published in the midnight, so nobody is watching that video, but still that video started to get more attention. Start with 4 views, and in the morning I'm making this video. Let's see how much views it's getting now. As you can see, this video also getting 16 views, 1 comment and 3 likes from it, guys. And again, if I click this, if I go to my dashboard, you can see the audience retention for this video. Again, this video has a 4.28 audience retention. My first video, which getting more views, are only 5 minutes long. My second video, this one, is again 5 minutes long, and audience retention is around 4.38, which is very good, which is around 80%, guys. So with a short video, you can, I think if you can get more views, you can get more watch times in the fast way than getting watch time from the longer videos. I hope, guys, if you understand. So this is how you can make money on YouTube without making video, which is a copy and paste method, where you're gonna find that content idea that you want to make a video. Your AI gonna write your articles, you're gonna copy and paste it in Vietnamese, where you're gonna make your videos, and again you're gonna publish it on YouTube. I hope you understand, guys. Leave a comment if you want to make a clear videos, or leave a comment if you want to make top 5 videos on AI writing softwares. And again, if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon, like and share this video, and leave a comment, I like this video, with your PayPal address. Also, guys, give a thumbs up if you really like this video.